You gon' bust it for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it look.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anyssa. I do beauty, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like this video. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications every time I post a new video. So good morning. For today's video is a orange fall makeup look. Cause you know fall's already coming. It's fall actually tomorrow, Tuesday the 22nd. So I wanted to give y'all a cute little spice orange makeup look. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I already did my brows. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now because I like to do my eyeshadow first. Okay, so I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. hydrating one because it's my favorite drill. This is my favorite concealer, so I'm gonna be patting that on my eyelid because you want to have a nice smooth base for your eyeshadow. Because if you don't, ain't gonna look good, boo. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can see. I'm a little white, but what I'm gonna be using is the Anyssa Soft Glam palette and the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette. This one, but the orange version. So these are the only two palettes I'm gonna be using today. So to begin with, I'm gonna start with the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna go in with Orange Soda. And you get any fluffy brush, doesn't really matter. And you only want to put that right here because we're trying to do like a ombre orange look. So I wanted like a light orange, dark orange, and then a little spice of like a cranberry wing liner. And I think that looks so cute. So just blend that right here. You only want it like in your inner corner, and the other half will be dark orange. I don't know. I just thought of this idea last night, so I thought it'll be cute. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So for y'all, so y'all can see the kind of orange I'm working with. So I'm just going in the inner corner of my eye, half of my eye. You always want to pack and then like blend when chill motion. You always want to match the other side. So if one side's darker, make the other side darker because you don't want to look real flunk. Okay, so next I'm going to go in just the same. Some random Morphe brush, but I'm going to go with the Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with Alert, this like rustic orange right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I have an idea what this looks kind of cute. Or like a spicy fall vibe. As you can tell, I'm just going like kind of rough and just trying to smooth it out. Okay, yes, that's what I'm going for. So it's like an ombre effect. And to go with that for the liner, see, this is all we need. The only shadow we need. It looks so good. I don't know what color to go in with. I think I'm going with this color. So I'm going framed. I'm gonna go with this like this purpley, oh, gorgeous fall with some tape. Because your girl's not good at putting liners, and just put it on your hand. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna zoom in my. I was watching some TikToks last night, and I did my iOS update. If y'all want like a tutorial, let me know. Look, I'll show y'all. So that's what it looks like. It's like a fall thing. And if y'all want a tutorial how to do it, let me down below because I can do it and it's real easy to show y'all. So, okay, for purple liner, we're going to get this Morphe M506 brush. And I'm going to clean some of it off because I used it earlier. So, make sure it's even. Hopefully it's even. So, I'm going to go with frame. Take a dot. I'm just going to boom, boom. Okay, I tried to do it. And for like gold flakes, I'm going to use the Anyssa bronze palette. I'm going to use the shade bronze. So this glittery gold. I'm going to put like my dot of my finger. And I'm going to place it like lightly. Like I lightly press, take off the excess, and just trying to put it all over my eyelid. so you can get like a gold effect too. I need to fix this wing. Okay. I thought I had a gold liner. I'm gonna do my base and I'll be right back. Ooh, a lot of powder. Let me clean my lips because I hate foundation on my lips. So for bronzer, I've been really loving my e.l.f. I've been loving my e.l.f. contour palette. I've been loving that with my e.l.f. bronzer brush. I've been using this lately. I love the colors because it gives me like a good warmth. And I use the darker shade like towards the back to give me a little bit more of a definition. Jeez. Only use that in the back, girl. You don't want it too dark in the front. And for blush, I've been loving that Profusion. My blush palette, guys, I got a blush palette. I've been loving all the colors, so I use mainly all of them because they're that bomb. And this is, I think, the 3, so that's like with the orangey shade. No, that's the wrong brush. But yeah, I like to use all of them because they're that good. If you want to go Pacific, you can probably use this like mauve color. That mauve color or this color looks good for fall. But yeah, to give me some hydration. Woo! It's your fan, boo. Okay, then I'm gonna do my nose because it's gonna look super cute. We're gonna put that in our bottom lashes. So I'm gonna use this, so just this one, flat one, and we're gonna go with frame again and drag it under our eyes. And I'm gonna put my brush, and then I'm gonna get some spray to like pop it out. And pop that in the inner corner. Mascara, I'm gonna use a Maybelline Lash Lift. This is so good. I just got me my breakfast, so I'm gonna eat that in a little bit. Finally, get out! And so good to have breakfast. So I'm gonna be wearing some Dollar Tree lashes. I believe style, the orange one, the wispy long crisscross, because those look really good on me, and I love them. So I'm gonna put some glue. Go-to combo lately, and it's the ColourPop BFF3. So with the NYX Dainty Days, because that's like my best nude lipstick I love right now. So I'm gonna do my lip liner. This and be good to go. I just did a thin liner and put this. I put that, and then I just got this new Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Rebirth. Excuse me. And I'm gonna put this in the middle. And then I'm gonna go back in with BFF3 just to outline it. Okay guys, so that is it with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. This came out super cute. If you want a close up. So it looks super good. Lip combo on point. I hate when gloss just gets in my hair. So they just have to do me wrong. So let's do a little montage moment. I gotcha with the montage. Super cute. So I'm gonna take some photos for this thumbnail and I'll be good to go, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because I love y'all so much. And we're gonna get ready for fall. Me and you are gonna get ready for fall. And we're gonna look so good, boo, with our outfits. I have some cool ideas for fall. I really like this look. It's super cute, super different. I never saw anyone do this kind of look, so it's like, and it's really simple because you only need like 2 palettes. It doesn't anything like crazy. So, and if you want me to do another look, I have another look in mind. Let me know down in the comments. Look at that glow. Super cute. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I see y'all next time. Bye.